Hi guys, today I wanna show you how to live stream on YouTube and Twitch 2016.
Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to live stream on YouTube/YouTube Gaming and Twitch. One of my most viewed videos is how to live stream, and that video has become kind of outdated, so I thought I would make a updated video on how to live stream because YouTube just launched YouTube Gaming, Twitch is huge, YouTube is huge, and live streaming on YouTube is becoming a lot more mainstream. So, how to live stream? Let's just do it! Shut up, okay? Stop talking. Step number one to live streaming is you're gonna need a good computer and good internet. Now, your computer doesn't have to be completely amazing. I bought my computer around a year ago for $1,300 and it works fine for live streaming. You just gotta make sure it's not super old. If your computer can't run Minecraft on like low detail, you're not gonna be able to live stream. And for your internet, you're gonna need a good upload speed. Now, you could ask your parents, but if you would like to avoid confusing the fuck out of them, Mom, Dad, what's our upload speed for our internet? Huh? So I will leave a link to an internet speed test in the description down below. Here is my internet speed. Apparently you need at least like 3 to 5 upload to stream in HD. I can live stream just fine. These are my specs for my internet. Go down, check it in the description, and just make sure you have about a 3 to 5 upload speed. So the next step is a given. You're gonna have to have either a Twitch account to stream on Twitch or a YouTube account to stream on YouTube. I will leave links in the description. They are tiny URLs to go straight to the sign up page for Twitch and to create a Google account for YouTube. One thing that's different between YouTube and Twitch is for YouTube, when you go to your creator studio and you go over to live streaming, if you have not activated your account yet, which is like you have to hook up a phone number to your account, you're gonna have to do that before you can live stream. So be sure to head over to Creator Studio, hit live stream, and verify your account with a phone number because you can't live stream without it. The next step is you're gonna have to download Open Broadcaster software. This is the software you're gonna be using to live stream. And they have the beta for 0.655, which I did in my last video, but they just released a few days ago actually the multi-platform, which you can use on Mac and PC and stuff like that. So I'm going to be using the multi-platform just to show everybody, doesn't matter what system you have, you can learn from this video even if you have Mac, a PC, you know, a dick, a vagina, what, that doesn't matter. So go ahead and download OBS according to whatever corresponding system you have, whether that's, you know, Windows, you have a Mac, or you have Linux, and download that, run the installation. It's a really quick, easy process, and then open up OBS. Whoa, it's there! Alright, so here we have the Open Broadcaster software for Windows, the multi-platform version, and the first thing we're gonna do is head over to the settings. So we're gonna go File, we're gonna go Settings, and there we go. So the first section is General. Now this is where you choose your language and your theme. The default theme is white. Personally, I like the dark theme. I just feel like it looks a lot better, but you can just do whatever you want. So the next category in the settings is Stream. Now the things you're gonna wanna worry about in here is one, the service. So you choose either YouTube or Twitch or whatever you wanna stream on. The server, YouTube only has one server, so you don't have to worry about that if you're streaming on YouTube. If you're streaming on Twitch, make sure you choose whatever server is closest to you so that you can have the fastest, you know, stream and there's no lag, or whatever server you pick, the closer to you, the closer to you, the better. Now next is your stream key. Now the stream key is what allows you to stream on your account. Whatever stream key you put in corresponds to the account you're going to be live streaming on. So how to find your stream key for YouTube? You click on your face or whatever your picture is, you head over to Creator Studio, and then you go over to live stream. Once you have verified your account with your phone number, it should look something like this. You scroll down. This is where your stream key / name, they call it name, I don't know why. You press reveal. You don't show this to anyone because then you're gonna have to reset it because you don't want anyone streaming on your account. You copy that, Control C to copy, head over to here, make sure you're on YouTube, and you just paste, boom, paste your paste your stream key, and that is how you stream on your YouTube account. To find your stream key on Twitch, you press your name, you go over to dashboard. This is of course after you've created your account. You head over to stream key, and you press show key. And then it even warns you again here, don't show this to anybody. I understand, there is your stream key, copy that, head over to your OBS, make sure you are under Twitch, delete the YouTube one, boom. then you're live streaming on your Twitch account. The next thing in your settings is the output. Now, the awesome thing about OBS is you can not only live stream, but you can also record your live stream at the same time, which is very, very handy. The output controls where your recording goes if you would like to record. So, recording path, you press browse and you choose which folder you would like your live stream video clips to save to. This is good for creating, you know, maybe a highlights reel for your YouTube channel or anything like that. And format, I love MP4. I do it in MP4. I don't know what any of the other ones are. I choose MP4, so that's what I do. Audio we are going to be doing afterwards, so don't worry about that for now. Video, so base resolution, whatever resolution your screen is or what you want your stream to be. So mine, for example, is 1920 by 1080, so that's what I'm putting it as. And your FPS, your frames per second. Say you're playing a game that runs in 60 FPS. Oh, I'm gonna stream in 60 FPS. That's just how it goes. That is what you do for video. FPS and base resolution. And scale resolution. Yeah. Hotkeys. Now, hotkeys are something you can put on your keyboard to make buttons on your keyboard do a specific function. So, start streaming. So, let's say you don't want to press the start streaming button on OBS. That takes so much work. I would just like start streaming to happen when I press spacebar. So once you do that, when you press spacebar, it'll start/stop your stream. That is what hotkeys are. I don't recommend doing spacebar because if you're playing a game where you have to jump, every time you jump, you're gonna stop. So don't make it something you're gonna be using all the time. And the last category is advanced. I have no fucking idea. What does this mean? I don't know. Let's just skip it. Once you're done changing all your settings, you want to hit the apply button, so it applies everything. You press OK, and this is what you're left with. A black screen. Awesome. So this is where you're going to set your audio settings right here. So desktop audio, that's going to be stuff that comes out of your computer. Right now you can see there's no noise coming out of my computer. Let's just go to properties. You can see that the device coming out of my computer is the default device. That is what you're going to want to leave it as. Unless you screwed that up somewhere during your computer, default should be good for your desktop audio. Now your mic, you can see that it is picking up my mic right now. If I scream really loud, it goes up really loud. So what you want to do, go to the little gear, press properties, and choose whatever mic. Right now it's using my default mic. If you wanted to change that, let's say you had a bunch of different mics, you choose whatever mic you want, and that is going to be your mic audio. So let's say maybe the game volume is too loud and your voice isn't loud enough, you can use these bars to adjust the volume. Say I wanted to turn my gameplay volume down, just go down, it's empty, you can't even hear it anymore. So that is how you adjust the gameplay to your mouth. So now we're going to be looking at scenes. So what a scene is it is a different scene. Let's say you want to have multiple scenes. My first scene, I want it to be my gameplay with my face, right? So that scene would be gameplay with my face. And let's say sometimes during my stream, I want to flip over and just have my face be full screen. I would make another scene called full screen Derek face. That's a really bad name for a scene, but you get the meaning. Different scenes will equal out to different scenes will equal out to a different thing on the screen. So how you make these scenes is with sources. I'm just gonna go over all the sources really quickly. So you head over to right click, you press add, and here are all the sources. First, image. Let's say you want to put an image on the screen, a little picture of a cat in the top right corner. Ah, it's so fucking cute. You use image. Let's say you want to put a video file looping on your screen. That's where you would go to a media source. So let's say you have a video file saved on your computer, go to media source, find that file, boom. You want to add some text on the screen, that is the text source. A display capture, that would be if you wanted to capture an entire window of your computer. You head over to display capture, choose the monitor you wanted to capture, and then it'll have that monitor on the screen. Window capture, let's say you are playing a browser game and you want to capture that window of the browser, head over to window capture. Game capture, you have a game open like Smite, League of Legends, Team Fortress, Counter-Strike. You press game capture, choose the game, and the game will pop up on your screen. Video capture device, let's say you're playing an Xbox, PlayStation game, Wii game, something like that, and you have a Elgato or some other capture card hooked up to your computer, you head over to video capture device, choose that capture card, and it'll go through your computer, choose the capture card, and it'll go onto your OBS screen. And the way sources work is that they go on top of each other. So let's say I want to have my stream be my Google Chrome and my face on top of the webcam. So first off, I'm going to add source, and because I want to add Google Chrome, the window of my browser, I'm going to go to window capture, and you can call whatever you want. I'll call this one Chrome. Okay. Whoa! That's a vortex. That's kind of scary. I will just add that. There is my YouTube channel. Okay, that's my browser. And then I want to add my face on top, so your face would be a video capture device because that is your webcam. It captures video. I will call this webcam. Okay, and there. Well, it's me! It's me, and then there. That's kind of creepy. Okay, and there you go. Right now I have my face on top of my Google Chrome, exactly what I wanted. Here you can edit what you want. So I want to make this smaller or bigger. I want to make my face really small because I'm really fucking ugly. Boom, it's just really small. But what you can see is you can see my webcam because in the sources you see Chrome is below webcam, which means webcam is on top, which means my webcam is going to be above everything below it. That is how sources work. You did it! You are now ready to start. No! You gotta go over and change the information for your stream before you start streaming, sorry. So to change your information for Twitch, what you're going to want to do is head over to your name, you go to your dashboard like we did before to find our stream key, and here you go. Title of your broadcast. You can make the title whatever you want to make it. I'm gonna make it, that. There you go. Twitch is a streaming service for video games, so whatever video game you are playing, you go right here, playing, you type in the game title. Let's say I'm going to be playing Smite. Find Smite. Oh, there's Smite. Click it. Now everybody who goes to the game Smite will see that you are streaming it. Your language is English. You hit update. Hit update. Changes saved. Now that is the title of your stream. YouTube is a little bit more customizable, if that's even a word. I'm not sure. But this is your live stream setup for YouTube. What you can do here is you can change your thumbnail if you'd like to. Let's see, where did I put my thumbnails? Live stream, thumbnails, boom. So, you know, because black is not very eye-catching or anything, so you can change your thumbnail, your title of your live stream. What would you like the title to be? I don't know. Dicks in Sabbath. My thumbnail just updated. See, it says live Q&A. The title should be live Q&A. I have a description. Say you want to add a description to your live stream, maybe put some links to your social media in there so people can find it easily. There you go. Now, if you want to stream on YouTube, just YouTube, you choose your category. You know, whether that be film, pets, music, all this stuff. But if you want to stream on YouTube gaming, what you're going to want to do is head over here, go to gaming, and then you can choose your game. Just like we did on Twitch. Let's say I want to play Smite. I type in Smite. Oh, hey, it's Smite. Press that. Now, when you start streaming, it will be on Smite on the YouTube gaming section. So that is how you edit all your info and stuff for your stream to ensure that people come for the right reasons. And now, once you set up your stream completely the way you like it, you add your gameplay, you add maybe some text, maybe a border around your webcam and all that type of stuff, you are ready to start streaming. All you gotta do is head over right down here, press start streaming, whatever you're hooked to, whether that be YouTube or Twitch, it will send your stream over to that site and you will start streaming. If you want to record while you're streaming, you press start recording and it will do that. You don't have to record while you're streaming. You can just record with this application, which I found very handy when I used to have a gaming channel. OBS is so amazing. It is so much better than all the other options. I highly, highly recommend it. All the links to everything I talked about, OBS, YouTube, Twitch, speed test, all that stuff will be in the description down below, so you can click them as I'm talking about them throughout the video. And I really hope this video helped. Live streaming is becoming so popular on YouTube, Twitch, and now YouTube gaming. If you'd like to follow my live streams, you can either subscribe to my YouTube channel, or there is a link to my live stream in the description down below. Derek, you haven't live streamed in like 6 months. I know, okay? I know. I'm busy. But if enough people ask for it, I will try to live stream more. Thank you so much for watching. I really... What was that? That was not cute or funny. It was just stupid. stupid. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video helped you live stream, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to... Oh, my back. Holy crap. Kick that like button down below. This is Derek from the future coming back to this video to say that congratulations to @CrystalLucen Maxi Jean-Pierre on Twitter. You are our random follower of the day. I forgot to do it before, I'm doing it now. If you would like to have a chance to be the random follower of the day, all you gotta do is either follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and then you'll have a chance to be the random follower of the day in my next video. If this is the first video you have ever seen from me and you would like to check out my last video, there is a link on the screen right now to that. I really hope this video helped. If you would like to subscribe to see my YouTube live streams or any of my upcoming YouTube videos, I would super greatly appreciate that. Again, I'm gonna say it for the 18,000th time. I hope this video helped you live stream. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. If you would like more tutorials or anything, just leave a comment down below. That would be amazing. Goodbye. I love you so much. See you in my next video, guys. Mwah! Woo!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks all.